The embryo sac mother cell divides by meiosis to produce 4 megaspores. In this process, the number of chromosomes is reduced from the 2 sets in the embryo sac to 1 set in the megaspores, making the megaspores haploid. 3 of the 4 megaspores degenerate and disappear, while the fourth divides mitotically 3 times to produce 8 haploid cells. These cells together constitute the female gametophyte called the embryo sac. The 8 embryo sac cells differentiate into 2 synergids, 3 antipodal cells, 2 fused endosperm nuclei, and an egg cell. The female gametophyte contains the egg cell, central cell that becomes fertilized and give rise to embryo and endosperm of the seed respectively. The mature embryo sac is situated at the outer opening micropyle of the ovule, ready to receive the sperm cells delivered by the male gametophyte, which is the mature pollen grain. Pollen is produced in the anthers, which are attached at the distal end of filaments. The filament and anther together constitute the stamen, the male sex organ. Flowers usually produce many stamens just inside of the petals. As the flower matures, cells in the anther divide mitotically to produce pollen mother cells. The PMCs divide by meiosis to produce haploid microspores in groups of 4 called tetrads. The microspores are housed within the single layer of cells called the tapetum, which provides nutrition to the developing pollen grains. Each microspore develops a hard, opaque outer layer called the exine, which is constructed from a lipoprotein called sporopollenin. The exine has characteristic pores, ridges, or projections that can often be used to identify a species, even in fossil pollen. The microspore divides mitotically once or twice to produce 2 or 3 haploid nuclei inside the mature pollen grain. 2 of the nuclei function as sperm nuclei that can eventually fuse with egg and endosperm nuclei of the embryo sac, producing an embryo and endosperm respectively. For sexual fusion to take place, however, the pollen grain must be transported to the stigma, which is a receptive platform on the top of the style and elongated extension on top of the carpel. Here the moist surface or chemicals cause the pollen grain to germinate. Germination is the growth of a tube from the surface of a pollen grain. The tube is a sheath of pectin, inside of which is a solution of water, solutes, and 2 or 3 nuclei which lack any cell walls. Next phase of reproduction